So this is the look of day 1 for the 12 days of holiday looks that I'll be doing. I'm going to create my kind of different holiday looks until the day of Christmas, and this is the look that I did for day 1. And now let's create this beautiful look together. So starting off with the moisturizer, I'm using Fresh Lotus Youth Preservative Moisturizer. This moisturizer is super rich and hydrating, melts in your skin. And for the primer, I'm using Elf Power Grip. Like always, to grip the shit out of the foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using this NARS Radiant Long Wear. It is a full coverage. It just looks a little bit light on my skin, but I don't mind because it's gonna look good when I apply bronzer and blush. Today I'm using Bare Minerals Skin Mineral Concealer. If you're confused on what concealer to buy, then get the Bare Minerals Mineral Concealer. Now for the warmth, I'm using this Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. Look at the difference it makes. Now for the blush, I'm using liquid blush from Rare Beauty in shade Happy. Either slap the shit out of yourself or make an easy choice by using Rare Beauty liquid blush. Using Laura Mercier Load Setting Powder in shade Rose. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this beautiful Interstellar palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. First, I'm going to be using this shade called Misty Moon all over the lid, just like that. Now I'm just picking this black blue shades called Odyssey, using this on my outer corner. Now with the help of this bigger blending brush, I'm just blending the shade towards my inner corner. Now I'm taking the shade called Rocky, patting it right here on my outer corner again, and blending it with the bigger brush. Now I'm going to add this blue shade called Traveler right here a little bit and blending it out with a bigger brush. Mind you that I'm only working on my outer corner and slowly dragging the color by blending them inward. Now I'm going in with the shade which is a little bit darker called First Man. Now I'm adding my last shade called Deep Space. Now I'm going to add a liquid liner from one size. Now I'm going to go add this glitter liner from Mora Cosmetics in shade Super Sparkle right on top of my eyeliner. Like that. I'm obsessing over blue these days, so I'm just adding this blue liner from Bare Minerals in shade Sapphire. Just adding a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm going to add this lashes from Velour Beauty in style A Dream. This is such a pretty lashes. I'm using this style for the first time and I love it. For the lips, we're going to try Catching Feelings lip set from Dose of Colors. I told you I bought a bunch of them. First lip liner. Oh, it looks super light. I might have to add a darker shade. Adding a darker lip liner from the same brown in shade She's Ready. Now adding the lipstick. This is it for the look, you guys. I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. And this is how I'm looking. Added a beautiful earpiece that I had. And let me know if you would rock this look for the Christmas in the comment section below.